Hi everybody, it's Juliet here. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. As you may know, I have worked with this company in the past, and they've asked me to do some projects for them. So that'll be coming up in the next few videos. But I want to show you the really awesome, like, cute stuff that they've sent me. So this is from Beebeecraft, which is BEEBEECRAFT.com. And for those who don't know, they sell beads. And I was allowed to pick out what I wanted. And it was really hard. It took me like 2 days because they had so many amazing things. So I just want to show you some of the items that I picked out, okay? So first of all, I got this pack of shells, and they're like, look how teeny tiny these little shells are. And I just think they are so cute. And it's like everything comes like in a nice box. So, it has all these little flaps that you can lift up. But I want to do some underwater themed, like ocean themed projects coming up. So I thought this would be perfect. And I've never seen this anywhere else. So I thought this would be really cute to get some little shells. So that's the first item. This is the second item. So it's a pack of different, I'm going to see if I can get it out. Of course, it's also well wrapped as well. It comes in like a bubble wrap envelope, and then it's also wrapped again. So these are little 12 millimeter cabochons, and they have like this scale design on them, and they have lots of different colors. They have green ones, kind of purplish. These look like a light purple, and then a red, and then a kind of golden, and then a blue. So you get all these different colors. I mean, they're just resin, but how cute is that? Like, seriously. And these are not expensive at all. So I wanted to do something, thinking like a mermaid theme. Mermaidcore is still apparently a thing. So I got those. And so the next thing, I don't know if you can even see this. I might have to open this. These are little, I guess they're plastic or resin, I don't know. Flowers. And yeah, I'm going to take all this off, and we're going to look at them. So I'm really into pastels at the moment. I like to do a themed Christmas tree. Last year I did a nutcracker tree. This year I'm doing a pastel tree. So you get these little, like, I guess they're like bead caps. I don't know. But they're all different cute colors, and they kind of have this like iridescent coating on them, and you get different shapes. So you get 3 different shapes. So you've got like these more pointy ones, and then you've got these slightly smaller, more rounded ones, and then you've got even smaller ones. So I thought that was so pretty and cute. So I want to do like a floral pastel project as well. So that's what that's for. Then I got this entire packet of oval stones that are in little settings. But the colors, you guys, the colors. So they're just, I think they're clear. Maybe not. It's kind of hard to tell if it's just the reflection. But look how many you get in a pack. Like, I don't even know how many this is. Let me see. That's 16, 20, 36 of these, and it's mixed colors, you know, but they're absolutely, I mean, they're not like, you know, the S word quality, but they are very pretty. Nobody's gonna examine them that closely, but look at all this. And I mean, this is like under, I want to say it was under, it's under $10 for all of these. Absolutely gorgeous. And how cute is it going to be with this? So that was another thing I got. If you're wanting to get any of this stuff, by the way, I have a discount code that they've given me just for my viewers. So use discount code JULES, JULES 10, and you can get 10% off your order. Look, they have white ones as well. I mean, these are so pretty, you guys. Look at that. This is just like, I love this. I'm completely in love. And there's different, yeah, there's a purple one here. Yeah, these are purple. Oh, these are blue. Okay. So you get, yeah, look at that. Look at how pretty these colors are. I'm just in love with these pastel colors. I really am. And yes, I have a link you can use as well. And then the last thing, and I'm going to open this, is I got these shapes, you know, like they're kind of like frames for you to bead around. They have a whole bunch of different ones of these. This website, you need to go on it, bb.com, beebeecraft.com. Sorry, again, I'll put it in the in the description, and I'll also put links to each of these items that I'm getting in the description. But they have, you know, gemstone cabochons, they have really nice pearls, they have so much stuff. So this is a pack of shapes, brass shapes that I can bead around. So I've got oval, I've got a little ring, I've got bigger rings, I've got 2 different sizes of oval. Actually, there's a smaller one there. So, you know, I had a really hard time picking what to get because there was so much stuff, and I was like putting all this stuff in my basket. I was like, oh, I can't get all this. So anyway, I just wanted to share all of that with you guys. If you haven't ever used them, I highly recommend it. I think my order came within 10 days. Pretty sure. So the shipping is fast. The products are good, you know, I mean, you can be selective. They do have seed beads. They do carry Miyuki and Toho. They don't have a huge selection of colors of those, but they have all different brands of seed beads. So how does this work? I think this is one of these things that you spin. Oh yes, okay. I can figure this out, guys. Look at these. And they have a really nice texture to them. And they're like mirrored, so they're super shiny. I absolutely am so in love with this. This is amazing. I cannot wait to use these and these and these and these, you know. So we're going to be making, as I said, a Mermaidcore thing, and then maybe like a spring themed project in the next couple of weeks. We'll do a couple little projects like that. So I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing what I got. Definitely go check out Beebeecraft. Make sure you use my discount code if you want to buy something, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.